Maybe you've got an amazing story or an idea that you want to share with the world, but you're not sure how to make a documentary. Don't worry, I got you covered with some simple steps to help bring your vision to life. So first, start by picking a topic that you're passionate about. It could be anything from a personal story to a historical event. The more excited you are, the better your documentary will be. Next, you got to research the topic. So the more you know, the better you can tell the story, right? Now after that, you're going to gather your equipment. You don't need any fancy gear, just a camera or a smartphone to start filming. Then plan your scenes. Organize your ideas so that your story flows smoothly from start to finish. Quentin Tarantino said that if you have a good cinematic mind, that's all that matters, if you know how to tell a good story. Lastly, edit your footage. Use editing software to put everything together and to make your documentary as professional as possible. If you don't know how to edit, you could go to Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, and hire people for a very, very low price. So if you're ready to start creating, let me know in the comments, like, subscribe. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.